Hi everyone. Okay, I decided to make a wreath like Caroline. Mine is a smaller version. Hers is a lot fuller than mine. Um, but I like the way it came out. I was going to do a video on it, but I'm not gonna lie. It was a little frustrating only because I had glitter all over me. I had glitter all over the table. It just fell. Oh my God. Um, and the mesh and the tool, there's the mesh and the tool, they stick together. So I was like ripping it apart. So I was, I love the way it turned out, but it's a little, with this kind of material, it's a little difficult. And I stuck a gold cross in the middle. I'm going to give this to my mother tomorrow to hang on her front door. And that's it. All right, bye-bye for now.